Number 7 for the inbound. Pass to the number 2. Balatero. Fouled by number 8, Lapitan. And this is the first free throw. Balatero. First throw. Basket. Second free throw. No basket. Rebound by number 23. Pass to Elaiba. Dribbling the ball. Long pass to number 24. Pull up. No good. Stepping on the line. Balatero dribbling the ball. Pass to number 9. Bautista. Traveling violation. Ball possession to LBDL. There's Elaiba. Pass to Lapitan. Back to Elaiba. To Lapitan. Mabibitawan ng bola. Out of bounds. Balatero. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Senyadosa. Traveling violation. And here's Lapitan. May hawak ng bola. Atake. For 2. Basket. Number 16 for the inbound. Pass to Balatero. Dribbling the ball. Ibibigay kay Bautista pero matatapik. Sanchez to Lapitan to Elaiba. Libre layup. 2 points para kay Elaiba. Bautista to Balatero. Dribbling the ball. Atake for 2. Basket. Timeout para sa koponan ng LBDL. At magbabalikan San Pablo Basketball League.
Sa laro, wag mong isipin na palaging baguhan. Palagi mong isipin na kailangang galingan. Ipakita mo ang iyong kakayahan. Sa larangan ng liga, dapat malakas ang katawan. Dahil sa larong ito ay bawal ang mahina. Kailangan matatag ka sa bawat pinapakita ng iyong angking galing.
And now we are back to our ball game. Ang ating score, 4-3 in favor of LBDL. There's Elaiba. To number 20, back to Elaiba. Dribbling the ball. 1v1 with number 30. Pass to Lapitan for the reverse. 2 points by number 8, Lapitan. There's Kalatkat for 3. No good. Elaiba, long pass to Lapitan. Reverse again. Back-to-back 2 points by number 8, Lapitan. Balatero. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Bautista. Atake sa ilalim. No good. Magda secure the ball. Elaiba dribbling. Crossover. Still by number 9, Bautista. Bautista fouled by Elaiba. We have 6 minutes and 3 seconds para sa ating first quarter of the game. Number 24, Tubalatero, matatapik dito, nilapitan. Ortiz, pass to Balatero. Pull up for 3. 3 points para kay Balatero. Batan. Tulapitan. Dribbling the ball. Long pass to Magda. Magda. 2 points. Balatero. Matatapik. And there's Batan. Lay up. Easy 2 points. For number 3. And timeout. Para sa Next Level Warriors. At magbabalik ulit ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Sa laro, wag mong isipin na palaging baguhan. Palagi mong isipin na kailangang galingan. Ipakita mo ang iyong kakayahan. Sa larangan ng liga, dapat malakas ang katawan. Dahil sa larong ito ay...
And now we are back to our ball game. Ball possession para sa kupunan ng Next Level Warriors. There's Balatero, receive the ball, pass to Ortiz. There's Ortiz. Fouled by number 14. Blacking foul. Balatero ulit magre-receive. Number 8. Pull up for 2. No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7.
Jersey number 4. First personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Fouled by number 4.
Jersey number 7. Shooting. Free throw.
Senyadosa. First free throw. No basket. For the second free throw. No basket again. Rebound by number 14. Pass to Batan. To number 5. Batan for 3. No basket. Senyadosa secure the ball pero makukuha dito ni number 22. Batan. To number 4. Fires for 3. No good. Ortiz. 1v1 with Pan. Makakukuha nandito ni Batan ng bola. Spin. No good. Rebound by number 14. Basket count. And fouled by number 8.
Foul by Jersey number 8. Body shot. Jersey number 8. First personal foul. First team foul.
For the last free throw basket. Complete 3. Ating score 15-6 in favor of LBDL. And there's number 12. Pull up for 2. No basket. Senyadosa. Nakakapagpasabit pa doon. Senyadosa fouled by number 22, Regalo. Act of shooting. 2 throws para kay Senyadosa. First throw, no basket. Second free throw. Oh, basket again. Rebound by Regalo. Pass to Anunuevo. To Nebreja. Pull up. Oh, good. Rebound by Mercado. And Mercado traveling. No, it's Mercado. Offensive foul. Ortiz, long pass. To Bautista, to number 7, Senyadosa, layup. And here's Anunuevo. Pass to Regalo. Side shoot, 2 points. Ortiz, iniipit dito pero makakalusot pa din. Ortiz, double team. Still by number 18, Anunuevo. And fouled, Anunuevo fouled by number 24, Ortiz. 3 minutes and 4 seconds our time remaining para sa ating first quarter. Anunuevo for the inbound. Pass to Nebreja. At mabubutata. Out of bounds. Same ball pa din. Anunuevo ulit. To Regalo. Back to Anunuevo. Pass to Mercado. Mabubutata dito. And there's number 20, Yuri. Pass to Ortiz. Back to Yuri. Kataytay. 2 points. Tabilangon. Traveling violation. Long pass to Yuri. Pass to Senyados. Pass to Kataytay. 2 points. Nice reverse. And there's Nebrea. To Regalo. Pass to Anunuevo. Anunuevo. Nebrea. To number 4. For 3. No good. Yuri may bit-bit. 8 seconds violation. Anunuevo, may hawak ng bola. Pass to Berbeja. To number 4. Lay up. And fouled by number 8.
Second personal foul. 13 foul.
Here's Bibas. Still by Ortiz, tumalabanan. And there's number 4. Anunuevo. For 2. Oh, good. And blocking foul by number 8.
Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. First shot basket by just number 18.
Second free throw, no basket. Bibas, mai-stealan dito ni Nuevo. Basket count.
Foul by jersey number 12. First personal foul. Penalty.
At penalty na dito ang next level. We have 1 minute and 7 seconds dito sa ating first quarter of the game. Yuri may hawak ng bola. Tinatatlo. Traveling violation by number 20, Yuri. 19-12 ang ating score. 20-12. Ang ating score in favor of LBDL. And there's Tabilangon to Ano Nuevo. No good. San Valentin. How basket. Pero fouled by number 0.
First personal foul. Penalty. Both teams started penalty.
Second throw. Basket.
40 seconds remaining time. Score natin 21-12. Favor of LBDL.
Tabilangon, long pass to Ano Nuevo. Mabibitawan. And next level. Ball possession, last 15 seconds. Yuri may hawak ng bola. Pass to Malabanan. To Kataytay, but still by Nebreja. And there's Tabilangon. Libre-libre. 2 points. 21. (23-12) ang ating score in favor of LBDL at dito nagtatapos ang ating first quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Velvet League. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Velvet League. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Velvet League. Ipakita mo, ipakita.
And now we are back to our second quarter. LBDL ball possession. Here's Ano Nuevo. Dribbling the ball. Maiipit. Still by Yuri. Tumalabanan. Back to Yuri. To number 12. No good. Number 12 again. Rebound by number 15. Out of bounds. Ang pass to Yuri. Dribbling the ball. Yuri pull up. 2 points by Yuri. Ano Nuevo. May hawak ng bola. Ano Nuevo. Aatake. Basket count.
Basket count. May kasama ng foul.
And fouled by number 15 ang.
Substitution.
At may chance sa makatriple play dito sa ating free throw line.
First foul.
Astro. Basket. Complete 3. Ang may hawak ng bola. Still by Eliba. There's Eliba for two. Easy basket by Eliba. Bibas. To Omot. Pass to Yuri. And there's Ang. Back to Yuri. To Tolentino. Pull up for two. No good. Rebound by La Pastora. Atake for two. No basket.
Foul by jersey number 12.
And fouled by number 12, Bibas.
Second foul.
Pastora in the free throw line para sa kanyang 2 shots. First throw. No basket. Second free throw. No basket again. And there's Eliba. To Sanchez. Offensive foul by Sanchez.
First personal foul.
Yuri, dribbling the ball. To Tolentino. Tay-tay, no good. Sanchez secured the ball. Traveling violation by number 23, Sanchez.
Substitute, pasok, double out. Substitute.
And there's Balatero. Balatero. Shot titira, wala. And there's Nabales. Dribbling the ball. Nabales. Layup. No good. Ang may bitbit ng bola. Pababa. There's Ang to Bautista. Pass to Omot. To Balatero. Balatero to Tolentino pero may still. Nabales. And there's Nabales. Fouled by number 0, Omot. Blocking foul.
All right, jersey number 0, second personal foul. Time to foul. Jersey number 27, free throw.
Nabales, 2 shots. First free throw. No basket. Second free throw. Basket.
Basket.
29-14 ang ating score in favor of LBDL. 7 minutes and 10 seconds ating oras. Here's Balatero. Dribbling the ball. Atake pero mabibitawan. Out of bounds. Last touch by Ang. At ang bola dito sa LBDL.
Substitution. Pasok, double out.
Eliba. May hawak ng bola. Pasto Regalo. Number 14, full up. No basket and fouled by number 0 again. Omot.
Warning for penalty.
Ricardo on the free throw line.
First shot
First throw, basket.
by jersey number 14. Second shot. Basket again.
Complete 2 by jersey number 14.
Shot score, second 14. Favor of LBDL.
Balatero to Omot. Long pass to Bautista. Dribbling the ball, atake and fouled by
Foul by jersey
number 24, La Pastora.
First personal foul. Second team foul.
First throw, No basket.
First shot, no good.
Second free throw.
Second shot.
Basket. Elaiba dribbling the ball. Pass to San Valentin. To Mercado. Enders Mercado. Hindi makakuha ang kanyang pasa. Last 6 minutes dito sa ating second quarter of the game. Paletero ang may hawak.
The remaining time, 5 minutes and 45 seconds.
Pass to Bautista. Atake. Bautista. 2 points. Elaiba to number 20. Pass to Regalo. No good.
Next level Warrior 4.
Ball possession. So next level Warrior.
Official score, 31-17.
Palatero for long 3. No basket. Regalo secure the ball. To Elaiba.
Yari ka.
Third personal foul. 30 foul.
Number 2, Balatero. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Portus. No good. San Valentin. Pass to Regalo. Stepping on the baseline.
Pushing foul. Foul by Justin
Sorry, pushing foul by number 9.
Personal foul.
Number 24, fouled by number 9.
Penalty.
Pastora. First throw. Oh, basket. Second free throw. Oh, basket again. Out of bounds.
Next level Warrior 4.
31-17 in favor of LBDL.
4 minutes and 30 seconds. Official score, 31-17. Favor of LBDL.
Balatero to Ilagan. Traveling violation. No. And
Foul by
fouled by number 20 for La Pastora.
24. Second personal foul.
Ilagan for the inbound. Pass to Bautista, to Balatero, backcourt violation. Breha. San Valentin to Batan.
Just number 3.
Easy 2 points by Batan. Bautista. No good. Siya ulit. No basket. San Valentin secure the ball. Pass to Batan. For 2. No good. Rebound by La Pastora and basket count.
Basket out, example foul. Foul by just number 16.
And fouled by number 16, Tolentino.
Number 16, first personal foul. Penalty. Both teams have a penalty.
Pares magkabilang kupunan, penalty. For the last throw,
Ball shot.
complete 3 by La Pastora.
17, favor of LBDL.
Bautista. Pass to Balatero. To Tolentino. And fouled by number 4, Tabilangon.
Foul by jersey number 4. Penalty. Second personal foul by jersey number 4. Penalty.
Tolentino in the free throw line. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw. Rebound by Lapitan. Pass to Nebreha. To Bathan. Butataan dito ni Tolentino.
Foul. Foul by jersey number 3.
Enseñadosa fouled by number 3, Bathan. First throw, basket.
First shot, basket.
Second free throw. No basket. San Valentin secured the ball. And there's Nebreha to Bathan. Pass to Tabilangon. To Nebreha. Nebreha is 2 points. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Our time remaining para sa ating second quarter. Balatero. To Bautista. Mabibitawan ng bola. Out of bounds. Papatawag dito ng timeout ang Next Level Warriors at magbabalik ang San Pablo Basketball League.
2 minutes and 9 seconds in the second quarter. That score at 20 by LBDS of Sparta.
Sa laro, wag mong isipin na palaging baguhan. Palagi mong isipin na kailangan galingan. Ipakita mo ang iyong kakayahan sa larangan. Palagi mong isipin na kailangan galingan. Ipakita mo ang iyong kakayahan sa larangan.
Now we are back to our ball game. LBDL ang possession. Nebreha for the inbound. Tabilangon, long pass. San Valentin. San Valentin atake. Pero matatawagan dito ng traveling violation. And here comes Balatero, dribbling the ball. Go crossover. Pass to Portus, pero makukuha ni Nuevo. Lapitan. To Bautista. And Bautista, fouled by number 8, Lapitan. Penalty. 2 shots. Para kay Bautista. First throw. Second free throw. Tabilangon. Makakakuha. Tabilangon fouled by number 9, Bautista. Penalty na din. Both penalty teams. Both teams are penalty. First free throw. No basket. For his second free throw. Basket. 39-18 ang ating score in favor of LBDL, and we have 1 minute and 20 seconds. Out of bounds. Ebreja for the inbound. Ebreja. Kicking ball by number 9. Last 1 minute dito sa ating second quarter. Ebreja for the inbound. Mai-steal dito ni Bautista ang bola. And there's Bautista, no good. Rebound by Lapitan. And there's Lapitan. Dribbling the ball. Atake. 2 points by number 8. Lapitan. Balatero, dribbling the ball. Last 30 seconds. Pass to Bautista. Back to Balatero. And here comes number 7. Fouled by number 3, San Valentin. Senyadosa on the free throw line.
Labing apat na segundo natitira second quarter. 14 seconds.
Last 14 seconds.
Official score 41-18. Favor of LBDL. Las Bañas.
Rebound by San Valentin. Pass to Año Nuevo. Last 10 seconds. Pass to Lapitan. And there's Lapitan. Mai-steal pero makakukuha ni San Valentin ang bola for 2. Oh, good. At dito nagtatapos ang ating second quarter of the game. 41-18 in favor of LBDL.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo.
That ends our first half of this game. Score natin 18-41 in favor of the LBDL. Makikitaan natin ngayon na maganda or matinding depensa ang bawat koponan upang masabayan ang galaw ng bawat isa. Bukod sa mga coaches na nag-i-instruct sa kanila ng tamang posisyon sa maayos at matindi at mahigpit na depensa, isa sa magandang nakikita ko ay sila din mismong players inside the court ang nagtutulungan kung paano ba gagawa ng play sa loob ng court. Dahil hindi nga lang naman physical ang larong basketball, kung hindi pati na rin pagkakaroon ng wise decision in who to pass the ball and kung saan ang tamang pwesto upang makasecure din ng puntos. Aling depensa o strategy kaya ang makakakuha ng W in this game? Yan ang aabangan natin sa next half ng larong ito. Tutok lang sa ating Facebook Live for you to fully watch this game. And with that, back to the ball game.
Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin. Dahil ang tunay na bida dito ay ikaw pa rin. Ilabas mo ang natatangi mo na galing. Ito ang Velvet The League, maghahatid sa'yo sa daan na matuwid. Kaya halina, ipasa na ang bola. At bago mo itira, dapat ay kumpiyansa. Ito'y makakatulong sa pisikal at mentalidad, lalo sa mga kabataang may abilidad. Layunin ng Velvet The League ay makapagbit.
We are back to our third quarter of the game. And there's Bautista. No good. Bautista again. Pero wala. Rebound by Nebreha. Pass to Anunuevo. To Nebreha. To Mercado. Mercado mai-stealan dito ni Senya Dosa. Pass to Bautista to Balatero. Bautista to Balatero. Ibibigay kay Kataytay pero makukuha dito ni Tabilangon. Follow up shot. Still by Bautista at mapapalabas ang bola. Save ball. Nebo for the inbound. Pass to Lapitan. To Mercado, may steal na naman. Still by number 9, Bautista. Bautista. To Balatero. Senyadosa, atake. And Senyadosa fouled by number 5, Nebreha.
Substitution. Just number 5, first personal foul, first foul. Substitution, pasok labas out. First attempt, basket.
Second free throw. No basket. Rebound by Magda. Pass to Nebreha. Long pass to Navales. Pero matatapik. Mapupunta sa labas. At ang bola dito sa next level warrior. Senyadosa. Dribbling the ball. And there's Bautista. Back to Senyadosa. Dinadalawa. Out of bounds. Tolentino for 2, no basket. There's Nebreha. Mamadali. Naiipit ng dalawa. Nebreha fouled by number 9, Bautista.
Shot clock, 18 seconds. 15 seconds, shot clock.
Navales. Tabilangon. Still by Bautista. Long pass. Ano Mercado makakakuha. Tabilangon. To Nebreha. To Mercado. And there's Tabilangon. Fouled by
Foul by
number 9.
just number 9. Just number 9.
Warning per elimination na dito si number 9. Ang next level.
First attempt.
First throw. No basket. Second free throw, no basket. Yuri to kalat-kat. For 3, no basket. Rebound by Navales. Long pass. To Regalo, and there's Regalo. To Tabilangon.
Table. Substitution. 30 seconds at clock. 30 to shoot.
Nalaiba. Pass to Batan for 3, no good. Palatero magbababa. Pass to Yuri. And there's Yuri. Balatero. Balatero. Tolentino. Oh, good. Rebound by Senyadosa and fouled by
Foul by James Number.
number 20.
Substitution. James number 18. James number 16 out. James number 20. First personal foul. Second team foul.
First throw.
By James number 7. Bobo.
No basket.
Official score 41-19. Tuborog. LBTL. Los Baños.
Second free throw, basket.
Second attempt. Basket.
41-20 ang ating score
41-20.
in favor of LBDL.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 30 seconds sa third quarter.
Batan dribbling the ball. Pass to Elaiba. To Navales. Libre-libre.
Basket by James number 27.
Number 27, 2 points. Ortiz.
15 to shoot.
To Balatero. Balatero for 3.
The free throw by James number 2. Offensive foul by James number 3.
Offensive foul
James number 3 patay. Second
by number 3.
Third team foul.
Ortiz. Pick. Pass to Malabanan. At Palpal. Block by number 27. Three points, no good. Navales. To Regalo. Layup, no good. And there's Batan for 2. Wala pa din. Senyadosa, fouled by number 22, Regalo.
Warning for penalty.
At warning for penalty na dito ang LBDL. And we have 5 minutes and 25 seconds para sa ating third quarter. Balatero. Pass Ortiz. Tumalabanan, no good. Regalo, secured the rebound. Long pass to Batan. And there's Batan. For 2. Basket. 2 points para sa number 3. Balatero. Crossover. And there's Batan. Layup. 2 points para kay Batan. Timeout dito sa Next Level Warriors at magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Sa laro, wag mong isipin na palaging baguhan. Palagi mong isipin na kailangang galingan. Ipakita mo ang iyong kakayahan. Sa larangan ng liga, dapat malakas ang katawan.
And now we are back to our ball game. Yuri to Balatero, back to Yuri. To number 2. Number 12, Bibas. No basket. And there's Anonuevo to Navales. To Anonuevo again. No good. Rebound by Yuri. There's Yuri. Yuri fouled by number 18. Penalty na dito ang LBDL. And there's Yuri in the free throw line. Free throw. Basket. And Eliva fouled by number 20. Yuri. Anonuevo, pass to Eliva. Dribbling the ball. And Eliva fouled by number 12, Bibas. At one ring for penalty na din dito ang kupunan ng Next Level Warriors, Eliva. Holding the ball, pass to number 3 and number 23. Basket count and fouled by number fouled by number 3. And there's number 23. Sanchez para sa complete 3, no basket. And there's Sanchez again. Traveling violation ang itatawag dito kay Sanchez. And there's Balatero. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Yuri. Yuri. Pull up for 2. No good. Malabanan for 2. No basket. But fouled by number 24. First throw, basket.
Second attempt. Basket.
Anonuevo. To Eliva. Pass to Sanchez. Long pass to Yuri. And there's Yuri. For 2, no good. La Pastora makakakuha ng bola. Nagmamadali. La Pastora. For 2. No basket. But fouled by number 8. Malabanan.
Just number 8, first personal foul. Warning for elimination.
First throw.
No good.
No basket. Second free throw. No basket again. And there's La Pastora. For
Just number 3. Penalty.
Both teams are penalty. Or LBDL. LBDL penalty.
Top 2 shots.
Next level. Sorry, next level penalty and Bataan in the free throw line. First free throw. No basket. We have 2 minutes and 23 seconds dito sa ating third quarter of the game. Bataan. Second throw. No basket. Rebound by La Pastora. And La Pastora fouled by number 12, Bibas.
Just number 12. Just number 12, fourth personal foul. One for elimination.
First throw. No basket.
Just number 24.
Second free throw. Basket.
Second line, basket. Official score 52-26 in favor of LBDL Las Vegas.
52-26 ang ating score at pabor ang kalamangan dito sa kupunan ng LBDL. And there's Balatero. Pasto ang fouled by number
Just number 80.
18.
Second personal foul. Penalty.
Both teams are penalty.
No good. All about LBDL, just by the ball.
And there's Sanchez. Kabilangon. Back to Sanchez. Kulapitan. Sanchez. Kula Pastora. And there's Sanchez. Fouled by number 15. By number 1, Aljama.
First personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty. 2 shots para kay Sanchez. First free throw, no basket.
No good. Remaining time 1 minute.
Second free throw. No basket again. Rebound by Kataykay. Pass to Yuri. Pass to Kataytay. Back to Yuri. Dribbling the ball. Naghanap ng mapapasahan. Pass to Aljama. Yuri, long pass to Ang. Out of bounds.
2 seconds.
Last 2 seconds
2 seconds.
para sa kanilang shot clock. Ang for the inbound. Yuri for 3, no basket. La Pastora secured the ball. And there, La Pastora for 2. No good. Rebound by Mercado, and Mercado fouled by number 10, Ilagan.
Just number 10. First personal foul. Penalty. First attempt, just number 14, no good. Second attempt.
Second throw. No basket.
2 shots. Time, 1
Next
minute,
level wire ball.
1 second.
Kataytay to Aljama. And there's Aljama, naghanap ng mapapasahan.
15
Pass to
seconds.
Ang. Binigay kay Yuri. Matatapik nila Pastor ang bola. Mapupunta kay Regalo. And there's Regalo para sa layup.
40 seconds remaining time.
Points para kay Regalo. Last 30 seconds dito sa ating third quarter. Yuri aatake. And Yuri fouled by number 8. Lapitan.
Just the third personal foul. Penalty. Remaining time. 29 seconds.
First throw, no basket. Last 29 seconds.
Second to that basket.
Lapitan. Pass to Tabilangon.
Remaining time.
First throw, no basket.
Foul. On the just number 20. Second personal foul. Penalty.
And there's Lapitan in the free throw line. First throw. Basket. Second free throw. Basket again. Complete to. Last 3 seconds. Aljama. At mauubos na ang oras dito sa ating third quarter of the game. 54-27. 56-27 ang ating score in favor of LBDL.
Ito ang liga. Ito ang liga. Ito ang liga. Ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga. 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 Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya.
And we are back to our fourth and final quarter of the game. Balatero, still the ball. Layup. Easy basket by number 2, Balatero. Balatero to Bautista. No good. Balatero again. Wala pa din. Lapitan. Secure the ball. Traveling violation by number 8.
Traveling violation.
Balatero.
5 seconds.
Pass to Kaladkat. Nabi, bitawan ng bola. Balatero makakakuha for long 3. Tabilangon. Long pass to Regalo. Regalo, easy basket.
Easy basket by jersey number 22.
Balatero. To number 9, Bautista.
Traveling violation.
Traveling violation.
Exclusion. Makikisuhin na po.
Tabilangon. To Batan. Back to Batan. Matatapik ang bola. Bautista, may hawak. Pass to Balatero. Balatero iniipit ang dalawa. Portus. Senyadosa. There's Senyadosa. To Bautista, layup, no basket. Out of bounds at ang bola ay dito sa LBDL. Here's San Valentin. Dribbling the ball. San Valentin na atake. No good. San Valentin again. 2 points by San Valentin.
Official score 60-29 favor of LBDL at Bata.
Balatero, 3 points. Batan, din double team. Pass to Magna. Magda to Mercado. Mercado. Follow-up shot by San Valentin. And there's Mercado, traveling violation. Balatero, dribbling the ball. Pass to Ilagan. To Balatero. Fires for 2. No good. Magda secured the ball. And there's Ano Nuevo. Atake for 2. No basket. Portus makakakuha. Pass to Senyadosa. To Balatero. Fire first 3. No good. And there's Ilagan for 2. No good again. Ilagan ulit. San Valentin. Long pass. Navales. Easy basket by number 27, Navales. 62-32 ang ating score. 62-31 ang ating score in favor of LBDL. Bautista. Dribbling the ball. And there's Batan to Ano Nuevo. Easy basket by number 18. Bautista to Ang. Back to Bautista. Pass to Senyadosa. Makukuha dito ng Porteos ang bola. Senyadosa nasa ilalim. Bibigay kay Ang. Batan ang makakakuha ng bola. Pass to Ano Nuevo. Layup. Easy 2 points by number 18 again. Back-to-back points. Bautista. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Ang. And there's Bautista. Foul by number 27.
Foul by just number 27. Pasokin, labas.
magtatawag dito ng timeout ang Next Level Warriors at magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
66, favor of
Sa laro, wag mong isipin na palaging baguhan. Palagi mong isipin na kailangang galingan. Ipakita mo ang iyong kakayahan. Sa larangan ng liga, dapat malakas ang katawan. Dahil sa larong ito ay bawal ang mahina. Kailangan matatakas.
Second free throw. No basket. Rebound by Navales. Navales fouled by number 9. Nebreja fouled by number 9. Bautista.
just number 9. 5 fouls.
And number 9, Bautista, fouled out.
First 3 fouls.
Anunuevo to Magda. Back to Anunuevo. To La Pastora. And there's La Pastora for 2.
Basket.
Easy 2 points by number 24. Balatero. To Yuri, no basket. There's number 27, Navales for 2. And before we end this game, shout out sa lahat ng ating viewers today. Dito pa rin po tayo sa Barangay Bagong Bayan. At huwag niyong kalimutan i-like, comment, share ang ating live. At stay tuned sa mga susunod na game para mamaya. And also special partnership. Ay nais ko lang shoutout with Wilson Basketball Philippines, sponsored by Cafe Amarillo, Blue Steel, City Councilor Hon Carmela Acevedo with the Acevedo Optical, JEJ Auto Care Services, Tinas Takoyaki, Chairman Robin Orbarha, and this Velvet D-League San Pablo League is powered by Velvet Media Incorporated by Mr. JJ Magirang. And we're back to our ball game, Balatero. Second free throw, no basket. Magda secured the ball. And there's Nebreja. Atake, no good. Follow-up shot by La Pastora. 2 points.
Official score, 72-32.
And there's Senyadosa. Pass to Balatero. Balatero to Yuri. Yuri back to Balatero. For 2. No basket. Magda. Pass to Nebreja. Long pass to Anunuevo. Easy basket by number 18. Balatero. And there's Yuri. Yuri fouled
All by just number
by number 5, Nebreja. And we have 2 minutes and 22 seconds dito sa ating fourth and final quarter.
30 fouls. Substitution. Pasok ulit, Kabantar. Shot clock, 14 seconds.
Last 14 seconds para sa kanilang shot clock. Balatero to Senyadosa, wala. And there's number 24, Ortiz. No good. And still, may kalatkat to Senyadosa. Fake.
Easy basket.
Easy basket by number 7. Anunuevo. To Regalo for 2. 2 points. by Regalo. And last 1 minute and 40 seconds. There's Balatero. To Ortiz, no basket, out of bounds. 1 minute and 27 seconds. 76-34 ang ating score. In favor of LBDL.
Previous time, 1 minute and 27 seconds to fourth quarter. Shot score, 76-34.
Regalo. Tabilongan.
LBDL, that's fine as well. Next level Warriors ball.
And there's Ortiz. To Portus.
1 minute.
To Kalatkat. Makukuha ni Nebreha ang bola. Last 50 seconds, Nebreha. Pass to Tabilangon. For 2, no basket. Rebound by Sanchez for 2. Wala pa din. Malabanan, secure the ball. Still by Nebreha. Nebreha, layup. Wala pa din, malabanan again.
21 seconds.
To Kalatkat, and there's Kalatkat. To Portus.
15 seconds.
2 points by number 3. And last 15 seconds.
10 seconds.
And there is the final score. 78-36. And there's the final score. 76-36 ang ating score. And dito nagtatapos ang ating fourth quarter of the game. At ating first game.
Pastola. Pause ka ba? Sige. Ako na lang.
Velvet Lily, ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin. Dahil ang tunay na bida dito ay ikaw pa rin. Ilabas mo ang natatangi mo na galing. Ito ang Velvet Deli, maghahatid sa'yo sa daan na matuwid. Kaya halina, ipasa na ang bola. At bago mo itira, dapat ay kumpiyansa. Ito'y makakatulong sa pisikal at mentalidad, lalo sa mga kabataang may abilidad. Layunin ng Velvet Deli ay makapagbigay ng magandang halimbawa sa komunidad at mga bata.
Ito ang liga.
And that ends the first game today. And nanalo, congratulations LBDL. And also kasama ko ngayon, jersey number 24, La Pastora, our best player of the game. So, ano yung nararamdaman mo? On the second day, ikaw yung ating best player.
Sa una po, hindi naman po na magiging player of the game ako. Pero sa sistema lang po talaga namin manalo at teamwork po.
And kitang-kita naman natin kung ano yung naging sistema nyo, strategy nyo, how you defended the game, the ball, and securing the points. And with that, di ba meron tayong mga coaches, andyan sila Coach Rena, nagagaling nyo. During the game, yung laging tumatatak sa inyo na words nila Coach Renan.
Lahat ng mga pagkakamali namin, lahat yun kinokorek nila. Bilang magkaroon din kami ng kumpiyansa.
Kumpiyansa sa sarili, inside and outside the court. And with that, meron ka bang gustong pasalamatan, gustong shout out, feel free.
Shoutout po sa pamilya ko, dito, nanonood. Tapos thank you din po pala coaches po na LBDL, pati sa teammates po. Pati po yung mga nanonood man sa live. Salamat po sa supporta niyo. Salamat po.
Again, congratulations. Dito ko lang. Jersey number 4, La Pastora. And with that, tutok lang sa live or sa ating Facebook page para sa susunod nating live for our second game, the battle between the Santa Cruz mixed dribblers versus the AG Apparel. And with that, this live will end right away.